Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lever. In today's video, we will take a look at the big falling wedge pattern. Right now you can see that Lever is trying to break out this very big resistance of the falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and on the smaller time frame, on the 4-hour time frame chart, it has formed this broadening wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared almost 18 hours ago with my members, and that was a formation of a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Lever formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And I told my members that after the completion of the final leg, the price line is slightly moved up. Therefore, we can wait for some price correction to catch it from the buying zone or from this potential reversal zone. And our buying zone was starting from $0.001492 and goes to $0.001460, and our sell target zone starts from 1587 and goes to $0.001687. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price then again moved down and entered the potential reversal zone, and then we had a very big pump that was on this 4-hour time frame chart, almost 14.5% pump on the 4-hour time frame chart. It's a very big pump, this 14.5%. And now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then real move and the long-term move of Lever can be started once it will be able to break out this very big falling wedge pattern that has been formed on this weekly time frame chart. And you can see right now the price line is trying to break out the resistance. It was entered the wedge here, by the way, found the resistance of the wedge here in the month of July 2022, and so far it is not able to break it out. We got rejected here, we got another rejection here in the month of September 2022, and now we are again trying to break it out, and we also have stable touch points at the support as well. Now if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then here Lever has formed this broadening wedge pattern, an ascending broadening wedge pattern, and you can see whenever it is reaching the resistance, it is getting rejected by the resistance of this wedge, and every time after getting bounced from the support of this wedge, it is forming higher than previous high. Therefore, this time after getting bounced from the support, I'm expecting that it will form another higher than previous high. Here for a short while, for a while, we broke down the support of the wedge but recovered back, and now we are again moving above the resistance of this broadening wedge. And here the very important point is this value of RSI. You can see whenever it is reaching the resistance, the value of RSI is above 50. Here I have also placed the trend line at 50 value, and you can see whenever it is testing the support, the value is less than 50. When it was testing the support here, it was lower than 50 value. Here it was lower than 50 value, and here when we were just breaking down the support, we were quite low from this 50 value. And when we were testing the resistance of the wedge here, we were above 50, and here we were above 50. Here we were again above 50, and this time you can see we are again above 50, and the price line is above the support of the wedge. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price line may start the next reversal move from here to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the broadening wedge. This time, if the price line forms another higher than previous high and reaches the resistance of this wedge, then the move can be approximately at $0.00188, and in that situation we can expect that it will easily break out this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this bigger falling wedge pattern, then our target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at half cents, $0.0052. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.